Buildings are becoming more connected and responsive, improving security, energy efficiency, and occupant comfort. Sensors, lighting, and climate systems share data to optimize the building experience. Yet one critical element often remains a blind spot: the entrance. Access solutions frequently operate in isolation, with little visibility into their status or performance. dormakaba's Connector One transforms entrances from operational blind spots into predictable infrastructure. Automatic doors, turnstiles, and security gates become smart, connected systems, securely integrated through the OPC-UA standard. Operators gain instant awareness of door status across the building, knowing what's working, what needs attention, and where action is required. Remote monitoring and proactive maintenance surface issues early, preventing disruptions and enabling faster, more informed service. The result? Resilient entryways with higher uptime, fewer emergency dispatches, and safer passages. Connected entryways can also help reduce energy loss and provide operational data for better planning. No complex field automation layers, just seamless integration into your existing building ecosystem. A simple connection links every entrance to your smart building's connected ecosystem, whether you're building management or entry works insights. Connector One from dormakaba, turning entrances into predictable infrastructure.